Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can add or create icons for websites and applications in a Brave browser. So let's get right into it. Now guys, if you take a closer look at the home screen here inside my Brave browser, you will see that there are these two icons, YouTube and Google. If I click on any of these icons, I will be automatically redirected to these destination pages, and you can apply the same trick for any website on the internet. Simply open a new tab here on Brave, enter the URL address of your destination page here at the top, press enter. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to visit the Blue Sky application. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply copy the URL of the given website, head back to your home screen on Brave, click on these three dots here and click on Add New Site from the drop-down menu. And next here below, give your website, your saved website or icon a name, and paste the URL of your destination page below. Confirm by clicking on Save here, and that's basically it. The icon has been successfully added to my home screen, as you can see. So that's it. Let's call it a day here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you later.